Hello, today I'm going to show you how to free up the storage or free up space on Windows 10. As you can see in the video, my storage almost full for now, so now, I will show you how to free up the storage without lost anything, so let's start. First go to Start menu and click on Setting. Then click on Update and Security. Then click on Check Storage. And just wait a few minutes, the local disk is loading files. And after the loading finish, then you will see the temporary files. And all these temporary files, you are already stopped using it, but it remains stored in the recycle bin. So just click on it, and remove all these temporary files to free up your computer or your laptop storage. Just check all the box, and click Remove Files, and don't worry, you won't lost anything, it's just unusable files. Then just wait a while, it will take you some time to remove every temporary files from your computer. And if some files have not deleted yet, then check the box and click Remove Files again. And after removed all the temporary files, then go to the next step. Hold Window key plus R to open, run. Then type prefetch and click OK. Then hold Control key plus A to select all files. Then right-click on any file and click Delete. Hold Window key plus R to open run again. Then type %temp% and click OK. Then hold Control key plus A to select all files. Then right-click on any file and click Delete. Then hold Window key plus R to open run one more time. Then type temp and hit enter. Then delete all the files in this folder, and don't worry, you won't lost anything. Then right-click on the recycle bin. Then click on Empty Recycle Bin. Okay, well done. And thanks for watching. And if you like this video, then make sure you click the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you very soon. Thanks and bye for now.